Hi, I'm Dave Gogarty. I'm the operations coordinator here at Catsmo. Catsmo is a salmon smokehouse. We are currently celebrating our 30th year in operation here in New York's Catskill Mountains. So before we started working with inecta, we were doing almost everything by hand with pen and paper or multiple Excel documents. You know, anytime you're doing that much manual entry, you're looking at mistakes being made. Being able to look information up quickly is a problem. You know, we were looking to improve our process, and that's when we started looking at inecta.
I'm Kevin Riley, the production manager at Catsmo, where I primarily look over the responsibility of the packing team, the production team, and the logistic team. The difficulties we faced before having inecta was dealing with a lot of manual entries, a lot of errors, and just tracking orders as we may see fit.
My name is Ann Watson-Scott, and I do a lot of the data entry here at Solex Catsmo. Before the scale integration, we were manually entering all the information in the data, each item, each weight, each quantity. Since the start of the scale integration, we've had a reduction in errors, and it frees up my time to do more things.
Once we started working with inecta, you know, it really streamlined our process, especially for data entry, traceability. The ability to look up data after the fact was much quicker. We're able to track products, production, sales much better using our partnership with inecta.
A lot of the benefits I've seen, again, it's with time in terms of employees. The staff hours has reduced drastically. The error rate has reduced drastically, probably like a 50% decrease in terms of errors, or probably even more. And just tracking orders was much easier, having everything entered in the software where we could look back and see where the mistakes occurred.
The inecta team is really great, very knowledgeable. I like to joke that anytime I talk to someone at inecta, I learn a new process or procedure in the system that we weren't aware of. They're always very responsive and helpful, and they do a great job of helping us streamline our process and implement new processes.
Working with inecta has been great for the past 5 years. The response time has been excellent. The training processes that they have has been super great, super helpful team. I could recommend it to anybody.
So if there were any other companies that were considering using inecta, I would recommend inecta very highly. I know it's often hard for a company that's got ingrained procedures and processes that they use, but I think our time with inecta has been great so far. I would recommend them highly. Just the time savings alone using the software is going to be worth it for almost anyone.